Pinned Balluchi Special Chicken Curries. Pinned Balluchi Special Cream Chicken is succulent boneless chicken chunks simmered in an exotic and flavorful creamy sauce with chef's secret spices. This cream chicken curry comes in half and full plates. Murgh Makhani is a royal preparation of chicken with dry fenugreek leaves and onion and tomato gravy. This Murgh Makhani comes in half and full plates. Murgh Kadahi is prepared in chicken tossed with bell pepper, whole spices and herbs, and finished with tomato gravy. This Murgh Kadahi comes in half and full plates. Murgh-Rahra is prepared with chicken and chicken mince is slowly cooked with traditional herbs and spices, in a rich tomato and brown onion gravy. This Murgh-Rahra comes in half and full plates.